Hi, Matthew again here from Andark. Another video to help you choose on some ideas for Christmas and also keeping warm on the water. We get a lot of customers that come in and say they've got sort of the right bit of kit, but they're starting to feel cold because the water temperature's dropping. They ask us for ideas how we can keep warm without buying or reinvesting again on whole new bits of kit. Sometimes if you buy wisely, some bits of kit you wear more on the colder days and less on the warmer days. But some great ideas here, an ideal Christmas present for people. First of all, a decent pair of boots. Boots are one of the extremities that if they feel cold, can really affect your inner core and your warmth. Why not go for a decent 6mm pair of boots, hard bottom style boot, ideal for beach launching, ideal for all kinds of different water sports. Good option. That's the first option. Second one, gloves. We do a wide range of gloves from 1.5mm right up to 7mm gloves, ideal for keeping you warm. Other things you can look at, neoprene hats. You'll be amazed at how much heat you do lose through your head. And the other options are some rash vests. We've either got neoprene ones or fleecy ones. Also, we do hooded vests. A great way of maybe turning a summer suit into a winter suit, keeping you warm all round throughout the year. Maybe on a colder day you wear everything. On a warmer day, maybe you wear just a fleecy top, etc. Maybe a pair of baldies. Just all year round. Any questions about keeping warm out in the water, please let us know, or why not pop in and we can show you the full range. See you soon. Keep safe.